Unlocking the power of gratitude, a daily habit for success. Imagine starting each day with a secret weapon that boosts your mental and emotional resilience, enhances your creativity, and strengthens your relationships. That secret weapon is gratitude, and its impact is nothing short of profound. 1. A positive mental shift, from scarcity to abundance. The simple act of reflecting on what you're grateful for can trigger a remarkable shift in your mindset. It's like flipping a switch from a gloomy, scarcity-oriented perspective to one filled with optimism and abundance. By acknowledging the positive aspects of your life, you train your mind to seek out opportunities rather than dwelling on limitations. This newfound positivity becomes your guiding light, illuminating the path to personal and professional success. 2. Stress reduction, a balm for your mind. The daily grind often heaps stress upon us, making it difficult to maintain our mental equilibrium. Gratitude acts as a soothing balm for your mind. It redirects your focus away from worries and anxieties, grounding you in the present moment. By appreciating the things that are going well, you build emotional resilience, allowing you to weather storms with greater ease. Lower stress levels translate into improved decision-making and higher productivity at work. 3. Relationship building, strengthening bonds. Gratitude isn't just a solo practice, it's a bridge builder. Expressing appreciation for others creates a powerful connection. Whether it's a colleague's support on a challenging project or a simple thank you note to your boss, these gestures foster goodwill and camaraderie. In the workplace, a culture of gratitude can be transformative, nurturing a supportive atmosphere where teams thrive and collaboration flourishes. 4. Unleashing creativity and problem solving. Innovation is the lifeblood of progress, and gratitude is its catalyst. When you approach obstacles with a positive mindset, you unlock the gates to creativity. Gratitude fuels your problem-solving abilities, encouraging you to explore unconventional solutions. The ability to think outside the box becomes your signature strength, making you an invaluable asset to your team and organization. 5. Magnetic energy, attracting opportunities. Positive energy is magnetic. When you consistently practice gratitude, your demeanor becomes irresistibly attractive. People are drawn to your optimism and enthusiasm, making you a sought-after colleague and leader. As you radiate positivity, you become a catalyst for change, opening doors to new opportunities and inspiring those around you. 6. Holistic well-being, a recipe for success. Gratitude isn't limited to mental and emotional well-being. It extends to your overall health. Studies show that grateful individuals report higher life satisfaction, improved physical health, and better sleep quality. When you're at your best, both mentally and physically, you bring your A game to work. Enhanced well-being translates into increased productivity and peak performance. In conclusion, practicing gratitude daily isn't just a feel-good ritual. It's a powerhouse habit that can supercharge your success journey. It reshapes your mindset, reduces stress, nurtures relationships, boosts creativity, attracts opportunities, and contributes to holistic well-being. By incorporating gratitude into your daily routine, you're not just transforming your own life. You're igniting a ripple effect of positivity that can shape the world around you. Tell me more about gratitude benefits. Share a gratitude exercise to start. Regenerate.